Oh, hey, I didn't notice you were there. Hey, how you doing? Uh, it's me. You know me. I got my double hoodie on. I got my gloves on. Today is Tuesday, November, something like 27 or 28 or something like that. And I'm halfway in the process of making cool things, but unfortunately, that's not my main gig. I do that kind of like on a little part-time deal, and for the rest of the time, I've got other stuff that has to be taken care of. Kind of like at this time of the year is cleaning the leaves in the yard. So you can notice that the sun, my yard is all, you can see it behind me. I cleaned it up, all the leaves, and gonna show you what I do with the leaves. So what I do is I put the mulching kit on my riding lawnmower, and I mulch up the leaves in the yard. Oh, it's I don't think I would want to watch it. I should video that sometime. I run over the big huge piles of leaves and I chop them all up. So I chop them all up, and they look like this when they're all chopped up, and I use them for mulch. I cover some of my garden beds and things of that sort. All my blueberries. I got a couple of new plants that are buried underneath there. I got to plant them in the springtime. But so for the past few weeks, that's what I've been doing is cleaning up leaves, getting the yard ready for winter, putting away hoses, all the gardening stuff, just plain old getting ready for winter. So it's a little bit chilly today, not real bad, nowhere near as bad as I make it look. I just like to, I don't know, I just like getting bundled up. It feels like an old blanket or something. But the other thing I got to do is I got to put away this firewood. See this? I got 2 cords of firewood that I bought it in 22, summer of 22, which ordinarily I would have had it all put away by now. But for some reason, I keep losing energy, and I don't have the same kind of energy I did when I was in my 30s. Just gonna be coming up on 70 here shortly. Well, 6 months. But so putting away firewood is a pretty big chore. I did a little bit. I got it started. I had to clean out my bins over here that I've got for the firewood. I cleaned out a couple of them. This is the second one. So there's 1 quart of wood for each one. And that's kind of like where I've been these days. Is I haven't been doing a lot on the making cool stuff. I'll show you a couple of other things that I've been working on. Back inside my shop, I don't have the heat turned on right now, but I can get the shop up to a nice toasty 65, 70 degrees really, really easy. And right now it's 49 degrees, which is not too bad. It's like 37 degrees outside. And once I start putting the firewood away, I'm going to feel a lot warmer. So let me show you a few things that I've been doing. So making cool stuff is on the painting bench. You see I did a little bit, but I'm going to talk about that when I make the painting videos. And it's just sitting here waiting for me, and it's going to stay like that until I really need to get all that firewood put away. Other things is my shop is getting kind of messy again. I got to do some cleanup and put away, and I got to cut up all these boxes and put them into recycle. Done some laser work. I have one of my clients. He does craft fairs and little consignment shops and things like that. So, like if you go to Nantucket and you see refrigerator magnets, these are like the whales that I cut up for him. You can see that they're upside down, but you can see the shape of the whale. So I made 350 of the magnets for him. He does half of the work. I do the cutout, put the masking on. This masking is to protect the paint underneath from all the smoky color and all. My wife does crochet things, and she's making these little baskets, and I've got to cut out some stuff for her. I bought myself a new computer for my work, for my desk, and I'm just getting ready to convert this one. This is the computer that I had, that I was using previously, and I'm going to put some hard drives into it and make it another network adapt server. Sort of been busy. So, you know, it's like that's what I've been doing. And so what I need to be doing now is I got some computers that I've got to get cleaned up and working on. So this is where we're at. This is the making cool stuff. I don't know when I'm going to resume. It's going to probably be a couple of weeks after I get the firewood all stacked up. Then we've got a couple of family get-togethers, Christmas and holidays and things like that. So it's going to be busy for the next few weeks, but I'm going to keep you posted as to what's been going on around here. And so catch up with you on the next time. So see you till then.